Greetings, seventh graders. As you can see, I am gone today. You'll see sub day folder. Open that up. You're gonna watch this first under Watch Me, and then read this under Read Me. Check your grade for quarter one. Make sure nothing has a 0. I just went through and updated it. Some of you are still missing the work from the last time we had a sub, and that was one of the last times you're in the computer lab, so use that time wisely if you need to use it in the computer lab right now. Next, make sure you have that in. All your zeros are done. Then you're going to, you don't even have to open the safety folder. I put the miter saw PowerPoint and worksheet right underneath this in the folder. That should take you the rest of the time. It is the last tool we need to go over because next week we're going to start our project. So we need to finish up our bridges. If you did your bridges, you can turn in your bridge right up. Otherwise, you should be making sure there's no zeros and then working on the miter saw PowerPoint and safety. When you are in the miter saw right here, here's the reading questions. All the answers to the questions are in the reading up above and in the PowerPoint, okay? So sub day folder, you're going to watch this. You're going to read over this to make sure you know what's going on. Make sure there's no zeros. If you need to pick one of these to turn in from last time, do that. If you get those turned in, then do the miter saw PowerPoint and the miter saw safety worksheet and handout. All right. Have a great Friday. I'll see you all on Monday. Stay healthy out there.